Greetings, geeks. This is Rose with GeekToMeCrafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies as well as provide free tutorials and DIYs. If this is your first time here, consider joining me by liking this video and subscribing. Also, please leave me feedback. I will respond to everyone. And today, I will be going through my jewelry stash. Some of these items have been in my stash for quite a while, and some of them are listed on my eBay shop, which I will link in the description box below. So shout out to my Anglophile friends. I went to England when I was in high school. I am of English descent, and I just absolutely love everything about British history. So this first set is going to be an English themed sort of collection. I have the Union Jack in a variety of keychains, earrings, and pendants. Any of these items that are not listed in the eBay shop are definitely up for grabs, so go ahead and comment. I can just go directly through PayPal or Venmo. I don't have to go through eBay, but I can ship these to you if you are interested, so please leave me comments below. This next set is also going to be an English set, however, this is going to be Doctor Who themed. So these are a variety of TARDISes. A TARDIS is a time and relative dimension interspace machine, and it basically can go anywhere in space or time. And if you're a Doctor Who fan, you know exactly what that is. Once you open the doors of it, it is bigger on the inside, which is amazing. Both of these pendants are hand painted by me, and again, they are listed in the eBay shop link down below. So this video is number 3 in a series called Vlogmas. I am participating this year. If you're participating in Vlogmas too, can you leave your shop name down below? I would love to check it out and follow you as well. So these are also Doctor Who themed necklaces. I hand assembled these, and they are representing the screwdriver that the Doctor uses. He is a non-violent man and tries to use diplomacy when possible, but his screwdriver is definitely a tool that he can use in stopping evil. These pendants can be customized. This one in particular says wibbly wobbly timey wimey in the Doctor language called Gallifreyan. This is called circular Gallifreyan, and they have a really neat back on them. These pendants can be customized with any image, but these in particular are a Doctor Who themed circular Gallifreyan. They say wibbly wobbly timey wimey. Okay, moving on to a different fandom. So this is a leftover piece that I had from Sherlock, the BBC show. He shot holes into his wallpaper and then spray painted a smiley face, so that's what that was. These are listed below. These are Harry Potter items, and the first one there is a snitch made out of a bell. It has wiggly wings. And then the pendant is from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. That is the eye on the briefcase of Newt Scamander, and it checks to see if the person opening the briefcase is a muggle or a wizard. And if they're a muggle, then the suitcase will hide the contents and make them muggle worthy. This third pendant here is kind of like a stopwatch. It's got a very, very long chain that can be cut down, of course, if you would like. But in the inside of it, I have a variety of little trinkets like a golden ring, a diamond, etc. I also like the chain. It's got a neat little key on the back of it. I absolutely love Harry Potter. I've been obsessed since the series was first released. I was going to the bookstores for the midnight releases, and I would stay up all night for 2 nights in a row finishing the last books because I didn't want them spoiled for me through social media or over the radio. So that is a pin, a stick pin. It's got a clasp on the back, and it says Wingardium Leviosa. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you know what that means. This is a Deathly Hallows pendant, and I'm showing you here that it spins. I hand assemble these, and the center is made out of a gunmetal bead, and then it's suspended on a triangle piece that also spins on its axis. Right here, this is a charm of a doe. And in the Harry Potter series, there are a couple of characters who have a Patronus that takes the shape of a doe. And what this was meant to represent was the love for Harry's mother by Professor Snape, because they had doe Patronuses. It also includes a pendant, or not a pendant, it includes a Swarovski crystal in the color green, which was meant to symbolize Harry's eye color. Okay, so here we have some Harry Potter items as well. They don't necessarily have to be, but these are little vials that come to a point at the bottom, and they just have the neatest little shape. They are filled with a variety of Swarovski crystals as well. And then this item right here is a time turner. I was creating these before the widely distributed golden ones from China were available. So these are my leftovers that I have from that. I can change the color in the middle of them to whatever color you want. So if you're interested in a time turner like that, both of the inner circle and the outer circle spin. And I can change the color on the inside. And I cut my own chains, so I can make them any length that you want. I can do from anywhere from 14 inches all the way up to 30 if you want. Okay, we're going to move on to some Star Wars items. I have one set of the Han Solo dice left over. I also have a couple of pendants that can be customized. The first one said, "You come from nothing, you're nothing, but not to me." And of course, that was Kylo Ren talking to Rey. This third pendant is the Death Star. And the really cool thing about these pendants is that the cabochon that goes over the top and protects the image is a dome shape, so it creates the illusion of the item being three-dimensional. So I'm just kind of showing you here some of the features of the necklaces. I hand assemble the chains so I can, again, make those any length you want. I tend to use a lobster claw clasp because it just works the best in my opinion. Okay, and now we've got a variety of just other fairy tale or book themed items here. So this pendant is a scroll, and it says "Once Upon a Time." This item is listed below in my eBay shop as well. It is approximately 2.5 to 3 inches across. It's got a heavy weight to it. It's in a gunmetal finish, and it comes with a matching chain. I love that pendant. It's so pretty. And then the insides of the scroll too are done with a filigree. Right here, this is a ceramic teapot. It's got a flower finish over it. It comes with a rose bronze chain. Any tea lover would love that. I can also do the cup and saucer. If you're interested, please comment below. This is a bracelet that is meant to be themed around a fairy tale. So there's a big bad wolf. There is a special key, a skeleton key. There's also a ceramic creamer pot that matches the teapot. If you have family or little girls that are into Alice in Wonderland, this would be perfect. There's also a bear and a bird. Okay, we now have a really, really pretty bird pendant. It's oriented east to west, and it is in an antique bronze finish. These are really pretty. They go with almost any outfit, specifically for a teacher or a mom that's at work. I wear that necklace probably more than any of my others because it just goes with everything so well. Okay, now we're going to move on to a keyhole. It has a chain tassel that goes at the bottom and is connected with a clear crystal. And I really like this pendant because it hangs a little bit lower down on the shirt so that it's not way up on the neck. You can really, this is like a featured piece. Okay, so here we have a pumpkin. It is hand assembled again, and I have a really cool set of hardware that goes on this one. It's got a bronze leaf. On the bottom is a very pretty filigree bottom that keeps the post through the middle in place, and then I hand twist the little curly Q that goes on the top, and it is suspended from an antique bronze chain. Right here we have a locket. It does open, On the front is a flower motif with a garnet colored crystal, and on the inside it can be personalized with photos or a quote, something of your choosing. That item also comes with an antique rose bronze finish chain and can be customized to any length that you want. Okay, and here we have a Pegasus pendant. It stands out quite a bit. It's in a really cool black enamel color. It has beautiful wings. This is not a unicorn. This is actually a Pegasus, and it does come with a black chain. Right here we have a small rhinestone heart pendant. It is attached at 2 ends, and the chain can be customized to whichever length you wish. Okay, we have another locket here. This item comes in several different shapes, or not shapes, it comes in different sizes. I have a large, a medium, and a small. Each one will come with a matching bird pendant. This one is a dove. The locket has a filigree on the front and the back, and the small one is very similar. These can be added with pictures or a phrase of your choosing. And again, those would come with a chain of the length that you want. I believe the larger one is listed on eBay right now. And again, that link is in the description box below. I have several of these pendants. They look like an Easter lily, and they come in gold, silver, and the antique bronze color. I don't currently have them listed, but if you are interested, please leave me a comment below. They connect in the front, which is a really unique design. They don't have a clasp. The clasp is the pendant, and it goes in the front. Okay, right here we have a book cover from the book called The Fault in Our Stars, written by John Green. And it says, okay, and then the second cloud says, okay. That pendant is a dragon. Comes with a chain. This one is the infinity sign. I have several of these. This is a glass vial. These vials are now available at Dollar Tree. I insert the post through the cork and twist them myself, and then I can put a variety of things inside of them. That particular one has the Eiffel Tower, a feather, a piece from a rosary. The second glass vial is a little bit longer and comes with gears, so shout out to my steampunk friends. These earrings are hand crocheted. I do plan to put up a tutorial about these. They are using a vintage thread that I had inherited from a family member, and this last one here is a set of leather earrings that I have embossed with my Cricut machine in the pattern of cheetah. I can do embossing or writing in any shape possible, so if you're interested in those, please leave me a comment or message me. This necklace here is not hand assembled, but it is for sale, and they are a tiny set of eyeglasses with rhinestones all over them. They're so cute. Okay, we're going to move on to some superhero items now. I do have the Superman symbol available as a pendant or earrings. Super cute. I also have some Halloween themed items that I didn't quite get up on eBay this year. I have the Jolly Roger in a set of earrings. I have bat earrings. I also have a skull and crossbones with an eye patch and a rhinestone. They have an enamel finish to them. I also have a skull and crossbones pendant necklace. It's a little bit larger than the earrings themselves, but they would come as a set. I also have a Green Lantern keychain. It is double-sided. And here we have an Area 51 pendant. This will come with a chain. And it says Top Secret, Area 51, and then it comes with a book with an alien and a spaceship on it. It is double-sided. This is the pendant with Earth inside of it. I can also do any of the planets plus the moon in these. And again, that cabochon really makes that pendant look three-dimensional. I really love those. And here we have some sea glass earrings. They are wrapped with silver wire. The earrings include a blue bead as well, and they come with a shepherd hook design. I also have the sea glass in a necklace, and that is with a bead, three beads suspended below it. Also wire wrapped with silver wire and suspended from an antique bronze chain. I can make that chain whatever length you wish. This is a shell that I picked up at the beach in South Texas. It comes with a pearl at the top and it is wrapped with gold wire. It comes with a gold tone chain with pearls at the end. And this item is an ankle bracelet. It comes with an adjustable clasp that is hand tied with a knot. It has two little glass beads at the ends, and then the other side of it has some glass beads and a freshwater pearl. These items are just some generic necklaces that I had made using some beads. This one has been hand assembled using a variety of large pearls, metallic beads, and fabric wrapped beads. They are also separated by little crystals in between and suspended from a thread. These pendants will come with a chain as well, and they are again glass vials, so not recommended for children. They can be filled with glitter of any color. If you have a preference of these or would like to have a label on them, please leave me a comment below, or you can message me on eBay. This necklace was made using leftover chain. Because I cut my own chains, I tend to have little pieces that are left over, and I don't want to throw them away. So I assembled them all together with jump rings, and it makes this really elegant, longer piece that goes with just about any outfit. This is probably my second most worn piece that I personally wear. Got caught on my other necklace, sorry about that. This piece was hand assembled as well. It includes blue beads separated by real freshwater pearls. They alternate, and it is just a stunning, beautiful piece. This next necklace is a chrysanthemum rosin flower, and it is assembled with blue beads of varying sizes. They were originally designed as bridesmaids gifts, which I'm also capable of doing for you if you've got a wedding coming up. This little glass bead is hand wrapped with silver wire, and I just love it. It's just a simple, elegant piece. I've let my mother borrow this one periodically. The chain itself is also sterling silver. This necklace is also gorgeous. It has large plastic beads and in blue and pearl tone, and then smaller beads. It's suspended on a wire with a lobster claw clasp, and it has extra little, they're like metal cups almost, or they look like flowers. It's just a really nice, simple piece. And for my last piece, I have another rosin chrysanthemum with the shiny teal glass beads. These are hand assembled. Each and every one had a post through it, which I twisted myself. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this, please like and subscribe. And if you are interested in any of these items, visit the eBay link below or send me a message. Thank you. Have a great day.